This is the Aranet EC and pH sensor. The sensor is designed to precisely monitor electrical conductivity and pH in irrigation water for horticulture. EC and pH sensors are also available as separate products for specific monitoring needs. The sensor consists of 2 probes and a grid-powered module that wirelessly transmits data to the Aranet base station. The sensor features a display for on-site readings. For drainage monitoring, use the sensor with the horticulture drainage sensor, which has dedicated probe holders for precise placement. Tracking EC and pH in runoff or fertigation helps prevent imbalances, avoid nutrient issues, and ensure optimal plant growth. Like all Aranet Pro Series sensors, this sensor sends data to the Aranet base station and allows customized analysis via the Aranet cloud to align with business needs.